much nicer up here. Empty lot. Take a couple pictures. And right here. I always try to put it in neutral real quick, but can never get it. Big bike. Maybe back it up a little bit. Definitely back it up a little bit. I like that side profile of the H2. Shows all the aggressiveness. Damn, it's actually pretty hot when you're just stopped. The breeze was nice. Alright. I think we're good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright. Time to take the beast home. Oh, so raspy. That's why I like the Brock's full system over the Van Diemen. The echo in here is crazy. I'm like barely revving it to like probably like 3,000-4,000 RPM. Yeah. And I feel like the whole place, you can hear it everywhere. There we go. Much nicer with the breeze. So yeah, for all the local riders, you guys let me know in the comments if you guys want me to host some sort of meet where we can just like all meet up somewhere here around OC. Nothing too crazy. I don't want to get too much trouble with the popo. Just like kind of like a nice chill, you know, meet you guys and we just go on like a fun ride. Maybe down Santiago Canyon. Actually, that would be a bad idea. Too many like people I don't know. I don't like riding canyons with people I don't know. Gotta see how you ride first. But yeah, probably just go on some sort of chill ride. That'd be fun. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about that. Sorry if it's too loud in here. I kept the visor open because it's really hot. I don't have audible per se. I have to clutch to downshift on this bike, unlike my R1M. Let's go to this other spot I know of. couple more pictures here, and then we'll leave the spot with a million cameras, if you guys remember from the R1 ride. I'm gonna be respectful to the area so I don't get kicked out right away. Gun it down that tunnel so bad. But this is where I want to take the pictures, so how sick does that look? That looks crazy with the chrome. I dig it. I'll take a couple pictures real quick. That was cool. If you guys saw on my Instagram, I was talking about how I wanted more pictures of the H2. So here I am getting some more. And I'm running out of battery. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just like chill, random shenanigans, running errands and taking pictures of the H2. You guys wanted me to take it out for a ride, so here I am taking it out for rides, not just a ride. So yeah, that was fun. If you did enjoy the video, please like, support, share, subscribe. It's been crazy how the channel is growing, but I'm almost like, you know, in disbelief how fast it's growing. But you guys been great. appreciate all of you guys watching, so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.